To automatically decline calls on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with quick messages while you work, you have to add the decline call and send a quick message to the work mode action list. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap work. Scroll down the screen. Tap other action. Tap add action. Scroll down the screen. Tap function. Next, tap decline call and send a quick message. Select the desired quick message you like to use to decline the call. Tap done button to save your selection. And then tap done button again to save the change. With this setting, when work mode is on, your phone will automatically decline incoming calls and send the quick message you select to the caller. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.